guys, Mama Vindy here. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Loungefly Rose Gold mini backpacks. I've been dying to get. We just got back from Disney World and Universal, and these came in today. Unfortunately, they did not have these at Disney World when I was there. They were all sold out, and they told me to go ahead and go through shopdisney.com to get them, and I wanted to really surprise my younger girls with them when we were there, and they didn't have them. They did have the wallets and the ears and stuff, but they didn't have the backpack, so I just decided to go ahead and order them so they'd get here shortly after we got here, which was just the day before yesterday. So these came today, and I'm super excited to open them. So let's get started here. If it gets too noisy, I will go ahead and take all the plastic wrap off for you guys. And here it is. Wow, these are so pretty. So pretty. So I did get one for myself. This is my second Loungefly bag. This will be my 9-year-old's second Loungefly bag, and my little 4-year-old, this will be her first Loungefly bag. But I thought these were so cute, and I really wanted them to have them at Disney World, but it's okay. It was so hot out there, so excruciating hot, that it doesn't matter. I'd rather just get them when we got here anyways. It's just too much to carry over there with us having a big family of 10. And I did get the backpacks, I got the wallets, I got the matching hat, which I'll show you guys in my Disney World Universal haul that I'll do. But I did get the matching hat. I got my little girls like a very similar little Minnie Mouse purse that is also in the rose gold, and it does have sequins on it, but it's kind of like covered, you know, so that's really good. But I did get the wallets, the mini backpacks, and they also online have these little fanny pack type bags. So I'll go ahead and open up one of these, at least the wallet, the mini backpack, and the little fanny bag there, so you guys get to see what it all looks like. And I'll also include these, and you're kind of line them up with the haul that we got at Universal, which is awesome. So here we go. Okay guys, so here are the bags and wallets out of the little plastic. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. Around the other side, and I'll open these up for you so you can see the inside. They're just so pretty, sparkly, totally girly if you love pink, and especially if you love the rose gold like I do, and my little girls do also. So those are so cute, and I can't wait to give them those here in a minute. And then here's the other one. As you can see, I'm not sure if you're picking up the light as good as you can, because I'm kind of in the closet right now, but so pretty. You can look online too and see just how pretty they are. But this is the little fanny pack, and I'll unzip these so you guys don't have to listen to all the paper noise. I'll take the little stuff out so you can get an idea of what the insides look like. Here's the back. And from what I heard, when they first came out with these, they also had sequins on this side, which wasn't good because they were catching on people's clothing. So I think that's good that they kind of changed that up. But yeah, these are so cute. And I like the straps they used here on the fanny pack. These are fantastic. And let me go ahead and open these up for you guys. So you see you have the outer pockets there, which it's kind of stiff, so I'm not sure what you put in there, but you do have these outer pockets on the outside. Part of the strap is the same material here as on the fanny pack. Which is good. And you also have this little handle here. They're adjustable, it looks like. We've got the rose gold hardware. It says Loungefly on it. And then the large bow. You've got the nameplate that says Disney Parks Loungefly. The front zipper pocket, it's a good sized pocket there. And fanny pack, of course, you just have your one main compartment. And then your wallet. I will open this up for you guys so it's not. Okay, so here if you take the packaging out of the fanny pack, this is the interior. Got a little label there. A little polka dot interior. And then if you look at the wallet, you have that shimmery rose gold lining, you know, your ID, you've got your pockets for your cards there. Here's your pocket for your money. And then over here is your change pocket. So there's 2 pockets there. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3 card slots, your ID, and then your money pocket. So 1, 4, 5. Oh, there's also, let's see, there's a pocket in here underneath the card slot, and another pocket underneath that, and also underneath the ID. What is it? Underneath the ID pocket too. So put your ID in there, and there's another pocket there. So lots of storage space there. And then for your backpack, you have this little pocket in the front. Sorry, there's space there. You have this pocket in the front, decent size, and the interior has one pocket there. That's basically it. So just one pocket on the interior. So hopefully give you guys a good idea of what you're going to get if you decide to order this. I think it's super cute. I'm so happy we got it, and I'm glad that we waited until, or you know, it's kind of a good thing that they didn't have it when we were there, because then we would have had to tote this around everywhere, and kind of glad we didn't have to do that. So cute, and I think we'll probably use these next time we go over there, which won't be too far from now, I hope, again. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave a comment below, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you can see all my latest videos to come. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.